In this video, I will show you how to turn off Safe Search on iPhone. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is actually open up the settings app on your device. Now from here, you're going to want to go into your screen time. So you might be at the top of the page, but what you want to do is just scroll down. You can see screen time here. So just go ahead and press onto that to come into your screen time settings. So next, what you're going to want to do is, if you look at the bottom, you've got a section called restrictions, and there's an option there that says content and privacy restrictions. So what you want to do is press onto this. That's going to go ahead and take you across to a screen like this. Now at the top, the switch might be off, in which case you want to turn this on. And at this point, if you have a PIN set up, it may ask you to enter your PIN. So now what you want to do, as you can see here, there is an option called content restrictions. So you want to go ahead and press onto this. And then from here, if you just scroll down slightly, you're going to see a section for web content. So you can see currently set to unrestricted. So you want to press onto this. As you can see, you've got three options here. So you've got unrestricted, limit adult websites, and allowed websites. So to go ahead and turn off Safe Search, all you need to do is make sure the option for unrestricted is selected. Once that's done, Safe Search will now be turned off on iPhone, and that is all there is to it. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.